Hi there. I'm Teacher Ling Ling. I'm here to teach you basic Chinese words. We encourage you to listen, repeat, and have fun. First, you'll hear each dialogue as natives would speak it. Then, after this sound effect, you'll hear the dialogue again line by line with a pause after each line to repeat. But before we jump into live conversations, let's practice a few typical Chinese sounds. This will help you to speak more easily later on. Try to imitate what you hear, as close as you can. So are you ready to try out your Chinese accent? Then, let's begin. What follows is a list of Chinese consonant sounds after you hear and repeat each sound. You'll hear an English example of the sound.
B.
Bo,
English example, bore. P.
po,
English example, paw. M.
mo,
English example, more. F.
fo,
English example, for. D.
de,
English example, done. T.
te,
English example, ton. N.
ne,
English example, null. L.
le,
English example, lull. G.
ge,
English example, gull. K.
ke,
English example, come. H.
he,
English example, hunt. J.
ji,
English example, G. Q.
qi,
English example, cheat. X.
xi,
English example, she. Z.
zi,
English example, DS as in suds. C.
ci,
English example, TS as in huts. S.
si,
English example, sun. ZH.
zhi,
English example, germ. CH.
chi,
English example, churn. SH.
shi,
English example, shirt. R.
r,
English example, ER as in bigger. W.
u,
English example, one. Y.
i,
English example, yup.
Thank you for listening.